Ever heard the term scaredy cat? Perhaps someone has playfully labeled you as one, or maybe you've used it to describe a friend who seems to be perpetually on edge. This phrase, often used in jest, signifies a person who is easily frightened or excessively cautious. But what does it really mean to be a scaredy cat? And why do some people seem more prone to fear than others? Dive headfirst into the fascinating world of fear psychology. Fear, a fundamental human emotion, is hardwired into our brains as a survival mechanism. It alerts us to potential dangers and prepares our bodies to either fight the threat or take flight. This instinctual response, known as the fight or flight response, is universal among humans. But what varies from person to person is the threshold of fear, the point at which this response kicks in. Some individuals might get a thrill from watching a horror movie, while others might find the experience nerve-wracking. Some might relish the idea of skydiving, while others might get dizzy just thinking about it. This variation in fear response can be attributed to several factors, including genetics, past experiences, and even personality traits. Researchers have found that our genes can influence our fear response. Just as eye color and height are passed down from parents to children, so too are certain fear responses. Past experiences also play a significant role. Traumatic events can heighten our fear response to certain situations, while positive experiences can do the opposite. Our personality traits influence our fear response as well. Highly sensitive individuals, for instance, might be more prone to fear than others. They might have a heightened awareness of their surroundings and a more intense emotional response to stimuli. Introverts, who typically have a higher baseline level of arousal, might also experience fear more intensely than extroverts. Fear, it turns out, is not a one-size-fits-all emotion. It is as unique as the individual experiencing it. And being a scaredy cat, it's not necessarily a bad thing. It could mean that you're more in tune with your surroundings, more empathetic, or perhaps just more human. To summarize, fear is a fundamental human emotion, hardwired into our brains for survival. The threshold of fear, the point at which the fight or flight response kicks in, varies from person to person. This variation can be attributed to several factors, including genetics, past experiences, and personality traits. So the next time you hear the term scaredy cat, remember, it's not a label, it's a testament to the complexity of human emotions.